Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. As you know, smiling a lot leaves you with smile lines, and frowning a lot leaves you with forehead lines and folds. Sometimes it also comes about as a result of aging. It can also come about if you have excess skin on the forehead. Today I'm going to show you how to reduce and remove the lines on your forehead. Now, starting from a clean face, put a warm towel on your face. This is going to help open up the pores. It is also going to help massaging very easy. Now get a natural oil. Here I'm using argan oil. You can use coconut oil. Now I'm going to rub it in my palm. This is going to help warm up the oil naturally. Afterwards, I'm gonna massage my forehead with this. I'm gonna start from the lower part and lift it upwards. As you can see, I'm stretching from below upwards. I'm gonna be doing this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And for very effective results, you have to do this every day. This is a form of a natural facelift. Not only is this gonna help you get rid of the lines and wrinkles on your forehead, but it's also gonna help you with a very younger looking skin. You're also gonna get the maximum benefits of whichever oil you use. Now you do not need to wash the oil off. You can just leave it on and go about with your daily duties, or you can go to bed. I love to do this last thing before going to bed. This is very effective, and if done every day, you can see results within 7 days. Okay guys, so I hope you liked it, and I hope you are gonna give it a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.